Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Introducing a piggy bank. So I'm going to paint it. As you can see, it is a little bit dirty. This is actually my sister's pencil bag and she told me to give it a makeover. Although it is already cute and I don't want to ruin these lovely eyes.
Don't kill me.
But I have to. So I'm applying gesso here. It's homemade gesso and if you want the recipe of homemade gesso then comment me. बहुत सारा कोट इसके ऊपर अप्लाई करने होंगे क्योंकि it's very thin. So if you are new to this channel, hello, my name is Mimi. I love painting and painting is like something that can never bore me. I follow my heart and it leads me to painting. In this channel, I try to do something new, something different in every video. If you are interested, then you can subscribe me. Show me some love, please. जेसो अप्लाई करने के बाद मैं इसके ऊपर पिंक कलर अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. पेंट करते करते आई एम थिंकिंग इसके ऊपर क्या पैटर्न बनाऊँ, क्या पेंट करूँ. Then I asked my sister, "Will you like the floral pattern?" She said no. Then I asked her, "Would you like the birthday cake design?" She said no. Then I asked her, "What about the fruits?" Again a big no. Finally she said to me, "Put some rainbow colors." Then मैंने rainbow colors की pastel shade create किया है and then यहाँ पे apply कर रही हूँ. I just have 6 primary colors.
So sad.
Okay, so if you have not many colors like me, let me tell you how to create these colors. Mix red, blue and white, you will get lavender color. Mix blue and white, it will come as a pastel blue color. Actually कोई भी color के साथ white mix करके you can make pastel color. And if you have no orange color, then mix red and yellow, you will get it. Okay, so let's complete this painting. If you are enjoying my video, then let me know in comment box. I would love to know that. If you are inspired by this video and have tried this on a pencil bag or a painting on pencil bag, then tag me on my Instagram. I would love to see that. Oh, look at the colors, they are shining. I just love these colors. I mean, who doesn't love colors? So I am painting here the orange color. In the last part, I will apply dark pink. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye bye and take care. And don't forget to subscribe.